Tim! Welcome to Sibling Rivalry.
AJ, it's good to be here. I've worked hard to get here. It was a tough battle, but now that I'm here, I am ready to go and fight.
You're ready for Battle Valley. That's what we're playing today, guys. On the Commodore 64, we're playing Battle Valley.
Battle Valley, it comes with the C64 little TV unit.
Mini.
C64 Mini?
Mini.
Yeah, C64 Mini.
It's the C64 Mini.
See,
Provided by our friend at Geek with Social Skills.
yeah. Let's play.
All right. I'll drink while he plays. It's a one at a time player.
It is one at a time.
And it's tanks, which you know I love tanks. I love tank games. I don't know what it is. It's the power, I think. What's going on over there, Tim?
I gotta set it to 2-player.
That's true. I mean, what... In comparison to the Atari and television, when did Commodore come out?
Earlier, after the Atari and television.
After both of them?
Yes.
Because the graphics are like way more like complex.
Yep.
Than on those other games. And they're fun though. They're kind of fun. I love the foreground elements.
You got a really good parallax on
and
this.
then the far, like the mountains look distant-y, very distant. It's kind of cool. Oh, you're taking some of my tricks, aren't you? You saw how I played in practice? Yeah. I kicked his ass in practice. Of course, that means I probably will lose now. Somehow he sandbags every time we practice. He's like, I'm not very good. Ooh, I'm not very good. I can't play. Ooh. And I'm all, yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. And then during the game, he's like, boo, 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 boo. I'm going to kick your ass, AJ. And then I die. And I lose. As you know, I'm on a 13 game losing streak. Oh my God, it's embarrassing. Wait, what's all that? Is that alien ships coming at you?
I think they're just fighter jets.
Oh. That tank really does go across some terrain.
Thank you.
What does that mean? Oh, Tim figured this game out. He beat my practice round score. Ooh. Yeah. Ugh. I'm starting to hate playing games with my brother. Oh, damage critical, Tim.
How did that happen?
You tried to jump when you didn't have any power.
Apparently.
Okay, here I go. Boo!
AJ, I am such a much better player than you at this.
You know what? You probably are.
Bridge over River Kwai.
Ooh, moderate damage.
Boom.
How come I weigh so fast?
You're probably pushing to the right.
No, I'm not detonating.
Damage severe.
Yeah, I'm not doing
How do you get more ammo?
Oh. Did I get more?
Not that I could tell. How do you repair damage?
I don't want to go over that.
We have to learn how to go over that, AJ.
I have to repair my damage. Is there a way to get ammo?
Not that I can figure out.
All right.
Not that I tell you.
Okay. I don't know how to get over that, Tim.
We'll figure it out.
But I beat your score.
Did you?
No, I don't know. Mike, tell me if I beat your score.
Okay, I'm back at the HQ.
Wait, you have 21.5? I had 22 something. Yes.
Yo, AJ.
Yes. Okay, you got to get over that river, but how do you do it? Oh, it's not broken anymore.
No, that's a different bridge.
Oh, we're at the back of the beginning of the whole thing?
Yeah. All the things are gone because we destroyed them.
Okay, well, so now you shouldn't have damage when you get there. Maybe you can jump it. Uh-oh, there's one. Nice. Hey everybody, how are you?
Hey, no more ASMR.
Oh, get your ammo. How do you get ammo? You have 50 rockets and 34 shells. Oh, you have 44 shells now. Oh, Tim. Tim figured something out. I know what he's doing too. He's down that little platform. 64 now. Nice. But is that going to help you get over the bridge? You have to be able to jump it, right? What if you just don't jump it and you keep going straight?
That's what I just tried to do.
Oh, you didn't try to jump it?
I just was going forward.
As fast as possible?
Yeah.
Something ain't right. I think I killed more things than you. Oh no, I said I had 22. I was wrong. I only have 17. So I am not beating you at the point.
You're wrong a lot, so I take that into account.
Oh, he's so mean. He's so mean.
For everybody keeping track at home, I am switching back to a gin and tonic.
I want to kill that thing.
It wants to kill you.
Oh wow, screw it.
Can't kill everything, AJ.
Why not?
Where did that other one go?
I don't know. Ha ha ha! I knew what he did. Little trickster.
I'm Trixie. Maybe now you're too heavy to cross that jump.
I don't think that's it. They wouldn't let you ammo up right away.
So what are you going to do?
No idea. I'm going to stop when I get there and evaluate. I mean, there really doesn't seem like you can do anything.
Yeah. It's not that you fall into the water, it's that you blow up. Well, my turn.
It's so weird because I mean, I tried jumping it. I mean, at this point, you've knocked out everything. We're going to have identical scores because you only get points when you knock stuff out.
So you can control your up and down of the turret.
Mm-hmm.
You can control your speed a little bit. You can determine when you
Stop. That bridge is a quandary. We're gonna have to figure something out, or we're not gonna get very far.
I suppose we could look it up.
I can't. My phone's recording me right now.
I can't look it up either. My phone is recording me right now too.
I'm trying to go a different way. That was my thought. Maybe I can go down. Try jumping right now before you get there. Can you even jump? It doesn't make any sense.
Here we go.
So I got 2,400.
All right, I'm gonna go look it up. What's this game called again?
Battle something. Battle tanks. Battlegrounds. Battle. I
don't die.
What? That's a big ask. Did you try going over it really fast?
Yeah, I did.
This is riveting TV. Tim, I'm in a loop of destruction. It's not giving me any new ammo. Tim, I don't know what to do. I only have 13 minutes before I die. Hello everybody. I'm going to pause right now and wait for Tim to figure out how we get over the ravine or the broken bridge. You know, it would help if we read the manual ahead of time, but we don't. So I guess this is our life. Go play as we go. I'm not drinking anything special today, just a soda and water, or soda and vodka. So, sorry, I can't get all excited. It does the job, it gets you drunk. I'm a little buzzed right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's okay, it's good. But, it's not as good as a Cosmo. It's not as good as a peach Cosmo. And it's definitely not as good as a Appletini. It's okay though.
Alright, I think I figured it out.
What is it? I got 12 minutes left.
You can switch to a helicopter.
How?
When you're at a base.
So I can go back to this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I do it?
So stop. and go up.
I'm going up. Do I go up? Do I go up? Do I go up? Do I go up?
All right, it's not working. That's all it said.
Oh, the game. I'm gonna just do it massive fastness.
Do we both have 25,000?
Yes.
So it's a tie.
I think so. Oh, how do you have 25.3?
Ooh, look at that! I win.
Because when I went through the last time, there's your helicopter.
Wrong base.
So you gotta go all the way back to the beginning base. Oh, you freaking cheater! He knew! He knew! He knew! Yeah, he did. He knew. You're such a shit. I mean, come on, guys. He's a cheater. He left for 5 minutes to go check. He gave me some obscure instructions, and then he came back and knew exactly what to do to get the helicopter. I want your vote down there. I want your vote in the comments. Did Tim just cheat and sandbag me with how to beat this game? I think he did.
No, I don't think I did.
I think he did. Are you a helicopter now? Good. My turn. Ah! Okay, so you went up?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. How many bases are there though? So when you're done being a helicopter, and when you're a helicopter, you can go up and down, but you can only shoot. So I guess at the beginning of the game, you have the choice to be a helicopter or a tank.
Yep.
Well, why wouldn't you be a helicopter? You can't get over the dang terrain.
Well, it gives you an opportunity to clear out the area.
And then you go back and like change yourself into a helicopter?
Sounds like a plan.
Something's not right, in my opinion.
Don't try to land, you die.
Really? I didn't know. Wow. Or you die when you land on the... I did get... Oh, that's you. You're down to 3 minutes. So, okay, it's timed. No matter what you do. Okay, so then when you come back, you have less time. I get it. Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Oh, if we only knew some of this stuff before we even started. Oh.
How would you, though? How would you find this stuff out?
There's got to be an online manual we could have read.
Yeah, I just read it. It's not very good.
Some of the instructions on these older games are very vague. Try to practice going down low, Tim, because if you get to the low part, you're just going to crash.
She's not very subtle.
I'm just saying. It really just took over. It was that controller thing again. All right. You're not going to listen to me. You're going to think you're going to handle it. It's going to shoot you out of the sky. It didn't even fire at you. The hell? Well, evidently being way up there is the way to go. Except you didn't get any more points than I did. And now we're done.
The Holocaust destroys civilization.
How come I didn't get a second run?
Maybe you do.
Oh.
Ooh.
So all I have to do is beat you by 300 points.
How's that going to happen?
No. I only have 16 seconds. Suicide destroyed myself.
AJ, we have to rate this game somehow.
Can I go first? You beat me by 300. I guess I don't feel terribly bad. But still.
There's no keyboard. Oh, well, I guess technically there is a keyboard.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to put my name in.
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do? I'm going to rate the game.
Okay, you rate the game.
I'm rating the game 1 seashell. What are you rating the game?
I am rating...
I found it difficult. That's why I rated it 1.
Yeah, it is. I rate this 3 bugaboos.
What the hell's a bugaboo? Tim just makes up shit.
I do.
I rate this 3 gobbledygooks.
Are you changing your rating?
No. I'll save gobbledygooks for a very special rating episode.
A special episode of Blossom.
I stand by my shells. My 1 shell.
And I stand by my bugaboos.
Interesting. Well, we did it again.
This is like half a game.
We didn't even get to very far. I'm very disappointed.
It shouldn't be difficult to figure out how to get past a broken bridge.
I didn't even know there were helicopters until you looked it up.
That's why I looked it up.
You should have looked it up before it replayed.
No, that's not how we do things here on Sibling Rivalry.
No, we just wing it, fly by the seat of our pants. You never know what you're going to get.
Fly by the seat of our pants. Have you ever had a pant that flew?
I mean, when I throw it at someone, it flies pretty hard. Should we say thanks to our viewers for tolerating our dumbness?
Well, you know, if CGR can only get 4,000 views, he used to get millions and millions of views before he quit YouTube. Now he's back. Mark from Classic Game Room.
Oh.
And now his videos, they're awesome, and they're only getting 4,000 views, and it's a shame. It is a crying shame. Everybody should go watch CGR.
So he took a year off, or what?
Oh, he took like 5 years off.
Oh, but he was doing really good beforehand?
Oh, yeah.
Why did he take time off?
YouTube was screwing him. Couldn't make any money at it anymore.
Oh.
He couldn't make money at it anymore, people.
What happened? We're not making money now.
No,
so.
we do this for the likes and subs.
We just do this for fun, and so we have an excuse to drink all day. It's just silliness. But we do thank you for watching. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe because we need it.
Doesn't hurt.
We're trying to get to 500. We're only at 386 or something. I mean, not that we're watching.
You mean subs?
Yeah.
We're at 280 something. We're not
Oh.
at 380. Jeez.
Yeah, you're right. Optimistically thinking ahead.
Apparently.
So, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next episode of
Sibling Rivalry.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.